Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the Yakima RoadShower. It's a tough, pressurized water system that uses natural sunlight to heat the water inside. It is available in two different sizes, both 15 and 26 litre, so you can really choose the right size that suits your setup. Just for reference, we are using the 26 litre in today's video. It is made from a welded aluminium body, and it has a really tough powder coated finish, so it can handle a hard life out on the roof of your car or the tub of your ute, and it's not going to fade in that harsh Australian sun. You fill the tank through the large top cap, and then you pressurize the system with either a hand pump or a compressor using the built-in Schrader valve, which is the same as most bike and car tires. And it does have a built-in pressure release valve as well, which tops out at 55 PSI, so you never have to worry about over pressurizing the tank. And that's going to give you a nice consistent water flow throughout your use. Yakima has included outlet ports on both ends of the tank, making it for flexible use no matter how you mount it on your vehicle. And with the 1.4 meter long included hose, makes for super easy rinsing or even showering. One great extra you can get for your road shower, which is really going to level it up, is this flex head. Super flexible and mobile, and it's going to attach this quick connect here in place of the garden hose, which is basically going to give you a shower head. So if you're out camping, or maybe you've just gone for a dip in the ocean and you want to have a shower, plug this in and you are good to go. And so that is the Yakima RoadShower, a simple, durable way to add pressurized water to your setup.